So, seems a little bit colder. So, really, very good.
That one's made with flour and coconut.
Yeah,
Coconut milk,
you
yeah.
can feel a bit of the coconut.
Yeah. You like it?
No, not bad. The second one. The third one.
That one is made with rice. With also a coconut milk.
You can feel more,
More salt.
yeah, the coconut. And this is what I chosen.
Yeah.
See,
Also made with the rice.
yeah, it's the flavor that I chose.
Of course, coconut milk is always included. And sugars, of course. So, which one?
This one better.
Okay. The second and then the third one, okay? Kain tayo, I forgot. Buon appetito.
I want to know.
Walang walang ano man po. No, if I say I say thank you, salamat, you will answer walang ano man po.